Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away 1 month free Nitro as you can see. And yes, this is for 1 month, believe it or not. We haven't had this promotion for a very long time and it's quite crazy, isn't it? But the only catch is, you need to add a payment method here to claim your free Nitro. This includes PayPal, debit or credit card, or even your local payment methods if you claim it on your phone. Now I want to show you something. Look at this member's name. I didn't know you could change your font and give it glowing effect. She said it's only possible to do that with Nitro. Anyway, back to the topic. If you remember my Discord Nitro September 2025 new look offer video, I had already mentioned that Discord could give us free Nitro trial, just so we can buy new exclusive avatars, and it turned out to be true. Anyway, if you somehow end up getting free Nitro, make sure to cancel the subscription over here, and after that, remove your payment method here in the billing section. This is done because you don't want Discord to charge you $10 after your free Nitro expires. And join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We provide them for free. You can even join us to make friends and chat. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button to get early updates about free and safe Nitro.